What to do, peoples? All right, we got the pit crew. We have the Joker. And, oh, we got racer and manager with a 1965 Shelby GT 350R. Let's open him up. Pull this out. Alright. How are these in here? Wait, do I gotta unscrew this and do stuff. Are the people not supposed to come out? That is definitely double-sided tape. So I'm definitely gonna have to, and yep, those are rubber tires. If I want to see this car race, I'm gonna have to change these tires. Oh, did I really just do that? I just did that. I just wanted the people. I just wanted the people. The car was pretty cool, but I kind of figured that I was gonna have to do some work to the car to get it to run on the track like I want to. Maybe I do need to go find my tweezers. Oh, got it. Got it. But I'm gonna have to cut them out. Didn't want to have to do that, but let's get them up out of here. Okay, there we go. Oh, that tells me that I'm gonna need this. Come on. Well, give me a little strip of this. And I'm gonna need another strip for him. Might need a whole strip for him. But there we go. He's standing. Let's get him up out of here. right. Our people are standing. I think I am going to end up super gluing them. But literally, all I did, take a little scrap plastic wrapper, those little thin plastic wrappers, chopped it up into little small pieces, double-sided tape, and now they stand. That's it, that's all. I'm out.